In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Datadog Agent. We'll start by creating your Datadog account so you can access the agent installers and configuration instructions tailored to your environment. I'll walk you through each screen, explain why it matters, and share a few tips to make setup smooth. First, head to the Datadog website in your browser. You can use any modern browser, but a current version of Chrome, Edge, or Firefox tends to work best. If you're on a corporate network, make sure your connection isn't blocking sign-up pages or third-party cookies. At the top right of the homepage, click Get Started Free. This opens the Quick Start experience where you'll set up your workspace. You'll be asked to choose a region. Pick the region that's closest to where your team operates or where your infrastructure primarily runs. This can reduce latency and help align with data residency or compliance requirements your organization may have. Next, enter your business email. Use your company domain rather than a personal address so Datadog can recognize your organization and so invitations and notifications reach the right inboxes. If your team uses role-based addresses like ops or a platform, choose one that makes sense for shared access. Now add your full name and your company name. Entering accurate information helps with team management and support down the line, especially if multiple people in your organization will collaborate in the same Datadog account. Create a strong password. Aim for a long passphrase with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid reusing passwords from other tools. A password manager is a great way to generate and store this securely. Keep your credentials private and don't paste them into chats or documents. You'll also be asked for a phone number. This can assist with support and account recovery. Include your country code and use a monitored team line if that's standard at your company. Make sure it's a number you or your team can access if you need help. When everything looks good, click Sign Up. If your organization uses Google for work, you can choose Continue with Google to streamline access. Just confirm you're signed into the correct corporate account before proceeding and review any terms that appear. That's it for account creation. Once you're in, Datadog will guide you to the onboarding area where you can select your platform, like Linux, Windows, containers, or cloud, and copy the exact command to install the Datadog agent. Follow the prompts there, and you'll be ready to start sending metrics and logs from your infrastructure into Datadog.